That's when I was like something random, just getting forward.
Fuck it. I'm gonna see how they run, but.
Right? How many times did you shoot that guy in the foot?
Like 50 times, I swear.
Yeah.
I shot him a lot.
So I'm gonna push left to those that V box right there, on the left hand, at the far left, and try to hold that corner down.
I try and follow that all the way, like
all the way
I don't
down?
go straight to the saloon. I follow the netting all the way into the woods.
I'm gonna try to get to those piles of stuff.
The first one? Okay, that's a good goal, I suppose. Get to the first set of boxes, you know, and move from there.
I need fucking D10, dude.
Yeah, your last one, right?
Yeah, I blew
Hold on, get ready, get ready.
Shit, my snowball. Don't follow them.
Dude, get somebody out with a snowball.
Fuck, shit. That's still going. What's it looking like? What's it looking like? Whoa! Hey, what's it looking like? Bottom floor? One top floor, one top floor. Oh, I can't get there. Hey, watch out, one in the corner. Hey, what? One in the corner shooting across, watch out. He's on this corner right there. See him up top? How you doing, Justin? One bottom, one top. One bottom, one top. Nick, I'm coming up.
Boss, inside the boss!
What? I'm getting down. I'm getting down. Scoot in. I'll push you to your position. Hey, there's one in Castle Tower.
Castle Tower! Castle Tower!
Top
side!
Call him out! Call him out!
Inside the boss!
One castle top, two castle bottom! They pushing right, they push right.
Hey, they're sweeping right!
Straight back camera?
Yeah.
Bummer. Hey, Keith.
Bus!
Where?
Front window.
One bus, 50!
Straight across!
50 right side!
Coming down.
I'm going down with you. Hey, there's 150 right side. There's one more in the bus. I'm gonna push up to this corner right here. There's two in the castle. I got this side, He's on me! Topside castle's on me! Topside castle!
Oh, got him!
Is he gone? Justin, watch that right side.
See a barrel moving topside castle. Topside castle coming down. He's coming down.
Topside castle coming down. Got it. Justin, how's that right looking? Are they straight across?
There's a guy in the bus that's passing the driver's side.
50 bus drivers in. 50 bus driver's side. One castle. Hey, watch for the one bus. Watch for the one bus. He's in the front by the driver's side. There's a hole. Watch out right! Watch out right! Hey, start pushing up! Hey, check him! Check the guy on bus! Got him! Got him! Beautiful! Guy on bus is gone! Guy on bus is gone! Come on, Josh, let's go! Where they at? Where they at? Hey, talk to me! Talk to me! Apartment corner! Left, 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 left! Hey, behind us! Behind us! Up and right! Up and right! He's right behind the box right there. See what I'm shooting at? Got him! He's gone! He's gone! Backside's gone! Whoa, backside! Backside's hot! Nick! Game over, game over, game over! Dude, I got that guy in the bus with a pump shot. Beautiful, perfect angle.
The guy, I was underneath the tree trunk. Gun, I was laying down, gun was this way. Shot him out. Huh?
Hey, good job, guys.
Beautiful communication, guys.
Just be loud, be proud. Oh, shit, you're right. Thank you. Nick, you see the guy behind the corner?